Hello everyone, welcome back to Paragon English Academy. Today we're bringing you a unique learning experience. We're going to present a simple yet engaging conversation between two friends discussing their daily routines. This conversation is not just a dialogue, it's a tool designed to help you improve your English listening and speaking skills. By following along, you'll be able to understand and use everyday language more effectively. In this conversation, we will cover a total of 100 phrases, each one an opportunity for you to enhance your English proficiency. Let's get started.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How about you? I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing well, thanks. I'm doing well, thanks.
What did you do today? What did you do today?
I woke up early. I woke up early.
Oh, how early. Oh, how early.
At 6 a.m. At 6 a.m.
That's really early. That's really early.
Yes, I like to start my day early. Yes, I like to start my day early.
What did you do after waking up? What did you do after waking up?
I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth.
And then? And then?
I went for a run. I went for a run.
That sounds healthy. That sounds healthy.
Yes, it helps me stay fit. Yes, it helps me stay fit.
What did you do after your run? What did you do after your run?
I took a shower. I took a shower.
And after that? And after that?
I had breakfast. I had breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast? What did you have for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast. I had eggs and toast.
Sounds delicious. Sounds delicious.
It was. What about you? What did you do today? It was. What about you? What did you do today?
I also woke up early. I also woke up early.
How early? How early?
At 7 a.m. At 7 a.m.
That's not too early. That's not too early.
True, but it's early for me. True, but it's early for me.
What did you do after waking up? What did you do after waking up?
I also brushed my teeth. I also brushed my teeth.
And then? And then?
I did some yoga. I did some yoga.
That's a great way to start the day. That's a great way to start the day.
Yes, it helps me relax. Yes, it helps me relax.
What did you do after yoga? What did you do after yoga?
I also took a shower. I also took a shower.
And after that? And after that?
I had breakfast. I had breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast? What did you have for breakfast?
I had cereal and fruit. I had cereal and fruit.
Sounds healthy. Sounds healthy.
It was. What did you do after breakfast? It was. What did you do after breakfast?
I went to work. I went to work.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at a bank. I work at a bank.
That sounds interesting. That sounds interesting.
It is. What about you? What did you do after breakfast? It is. What about you? What did you do after breakfast?
I also went to work. I also went to work.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at a school. I work at a school.
Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
That's a great job. That's a great job.
I think so too. What did you do after work? I think so too. What did you do after work?
I went to the gym. I went to the gym.
You're really active. You're really active.
I try to be. What about you? What did you do after work? I try to be. What about you? What did you do after work?
I went home and relaxed. I went home and relaxed.
That sounds nice. That sounds nice.
It was. What did you do after the gym? It was. What did you do after the gym?
I went home and cooked dinner. I went home and cooked dinner.
What did you make? What did you make?
I made pasta. I made pasta.
Yum. What did you do after dinner? Yum. What did you do after dinner?
I watched some TV. I watched some TV.
What did you watch? What did you watch?
I watched a movie. I watched a movie.
Was it good? Was it good?
Yes, it was. What about you? What did you do after relaxing? Yes, it was. What about you? What did you do after relaxing?
I also cooked dinner. I also cooked dinner.
What did you make? What did you make?
I made a salad. I made a salad.
Sounds healthy. What did you do after dinner? Sounds healthy. What did you do after dinner?
I also watched some TV. I also watched some TV.
What did you watch? What did you watch?
I watched a documentary. I watched a documentary.
Was it interesting? Was it interesting?
Yes, it was. What did you do after watching the movie? Yes, it was. What did you do after watching the movie?
I read a book. I read a book.
What book are you reading? What book are you reading?
I'm reading a science fiction novel. I'm reading a science fiction novel.
That's cool. What did you do after reading? That's cool. What did you do after reading?
I went to bed. I went to bed.
What time did you go to bed? What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 10 p.m. I went to bed at 10 p.m.
That's a good time to go to bed. That's a good time to go to bed.
Yes, I like to get a good night's sleep. What about you? What did you do after reading? Yes, I like to get a good night's sleep. What about you? What did you do after reading?
I also went to bed. I also went to bed.
What time did you go to bed? What time did you go to bed?
I went to bed at 11 p.m. I went to bed at 11 p.m.
That's not too late. That's not too late.
True, but it's late for me. True, but it's late for me.
Well, it sounds like we both had busy days. Well, it sounds like we both had busy days.
Yes, we did. It was nice talking to you about our daily routines. Yes, we did. It was nice talking to you about our daily routines.
It was nice talking to you too. It was nice talking to you too.
Let's do this again sometime. Let's do this again sometime.
That's all for today. We hope this talk helps you with English. Listen again for more practice. Like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and see you next time.